the phone.
Excuse my voice, it's kind of cringing.
My voice sounds worse though. Go and friend them. One of them's called Beautiful Bling 14. One of them's called Beautiful Bling 15.
Beautiful Bling 15 is going started. She likes this really well.
Soraya, I will give you gifts.
Just give me like vampire stuff. I need to look really deadly and look like I've just risen from the dead.
Okay. This girl, yeah, she said, because there's this famous girl called Lily Trescott MSP, there was this girl and she said, oh my god, I'm one of your biggest fans. You're Lily Trescott MSP. And I was like, no, sorry, I'm not. But I know her when I actually don't. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm not really going to be doing, like, anything in this video. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to give some gifts to my friend because she's actually quite a noob right now.
Hey!
Blah, 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 blah. Yup.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna kind of wait. I'm gonna give me this.
Sorry?
There's actually so much online data on here, like,
I know, right?
they really make me sick. If anyone watching this isn't online data, I recommend you not being, because you might be texting a boy who said you're how old? Let's say you're 9 years old and you are texting a boy what's 10 years old. You might be lying. You might be a 49-year-old grandpa sitting now on the computer.
Yeah.
Hey, give me some gifts.
Okay, I'm giving you some. I'm giving you. I'll make it a surprise, but I don't know if you like them that much.
Vampire. I've seen the thing that I made. Whoa. Oh my god.
Wait, I quickly need to give you some more.
Really, really dark.
I'm only doing the 15. I'm only doing the video for 15 minutes. Guys, if you want me to do a face cam in my next video, just tell me in the comments. Oh, I can't find you. I found you. I'll give you a new top as well, because your top is like, I don't know. Wait. Guys, these girls, yeah, I actually know because they actually go to my school. So you can't just say they're strangers and I met them. The thing is, Soraya, I don't have many black tops or anything vampire-y. Most of my stuff is pastel.
Really, really good.
Most of my stuff's VIP as well. Guys, sorry if you can't hear them very well. Soraya, Trish, will you try and speak a bit louder?
Oh, I'm sorry, yeah, I'm just kind of,
Concentrating.
yeah.
I've sent her one. It's just it's hard. Oh, thanks for the autograph. You, Soraya.
What is that?
What? It's a top.
I disagree.
What? It's not. It's red.
It gives me a really good face.
I can't give faces unless you go on, you know, makeup, which is on, go on shops and then go on makeup, and then it depends how many coins you have. Oh, I have this really good dress for you.
Okay.
No, Soraya. Guys, I'm sorry that I'm not speaking to you a lot. Chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom, chicka boom. Guys, make sure to subscribe and tell me video ideas. I have 12 messages.
Oh my god! Go!
This girl said when she's level 6 she's gonna give me so much gifts. Wait, do I actually look like Lily Trescott MSP?
I'm having that. I'm having this. I'm having that.
I'm legit putting you near the microphone so they can hear you.
You know what you got, the 3 rare you did?
Oh yeah, it's over now.
No, the Ray that I'm looking at is the Ray one for like Vampire Girl t-shirt, whatever it is.
I know. I can't give you it. It's VIP.
Not VIP though.
I know, but
VIP.
Soraya has to be VIP. I can't give VIP.
So what I'm doing, I'm VIP. I can give it to you, I'm VIP. That's right good.
If Soraya was VIP, I could give her it.
Right, please.
The video's almost over. No, it will just say, sorry, you can't give this because this person is not VIP. But if Soraya was VIP, I would be able to give it to her. I don't actually, my lips look a bit like Lady Trescott. But the outfit.
You know the eyeballs and like the random, like, you know the Samantha hair, but like next to it.
Yeah.
I need that, and I need the Dorothy Hacker face.
What, the Dolly Hacker face? Okay.
And
Yeah.
Ari hair. I need that.
Oh, I'm not giving Aria hair away.
Okay. You know the top hair? The like really first hair in the corner.
Should I give her Dolly hair and, you know, the Dolly face?
I need a outfit. No, what I need is a Dolly, the face, yeah, the eyeballs, whatever it is, and you know the hair at the top corner.
What hair?
It's like a brownie blondie kind of one. It's got buns.
Oh, that? I don't know if I still have it or not. This is just like, you know, like a gift giving video.
I know, right?
The video is only 10 minutes, I think. Yeah, 10 minutes left.
Oh, that's disgusting. That's not nice.
Did you want the yellow one?
The yellow one.
Oh. Choopa choopa choopoo.
Look at these people. They've been saying 3 rares, and they're like just texting you like.
That's legit over, mate, because I didn't actually give them rares for some reason. For some reason, I actually didn't give them the rares. I don't know why.
Come on, I give you.
I'm just finding the face. Legit, yeah, legit, I can't find the dolly face. I'm finding it, though. I found it. I also have this other thing for her, too. But first there's this eyeball thing that I have.
Yeah, that's for me.
What?
That's the eyeball thing.
It's I accidentally gave it to her.
Me? Oh my god!
It's so weird because Serena's not talking that much.
Oh my god, I can't give it to you.
These girls are actually friends. Soraya, it says you're level 4.
Level 4.
Dum chicka dum chicka dum chicka dum chicka chicka dum chicka dum chicka dum chicka 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 dum chicka dum chicka 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 dum.
Singing.
No, I'm not actually singing.
Okay, I'm gonna sing that again.
It's almost 2 minutes left of the video. And then I can stop giving gifts. Guys, comment video ideas because I actually don't have many. So sorry about that. I just had to chat. So I'm just this is gonna be the last gift.
Oh, I need that hair and that dolly face.
Oh, I gave the dolly face to Soraya.
Why?
Okay, guys, so that's the end of the video, and thanks for watching. And have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe. Say bye.